Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to run Java program in Visual Studio. So let's start. To run Java programs, we have to install JDK software, which is Java Development Kit, into our computer. I will paste this link into description box so that you can download JDK setup. Scroll down and select your operating system. My operating system is Windows. We will download x64 installer. This is a full package of JDK. Click on it so downloading has been started. Open your downloads folder and double click on setup. Java installation has been started. Don't change the location and click next button. So finally Java has been installed successfully. Click close button. Let's open command line and check Java is installed or not. Write down in command line Java space double hyphen version. If you see this in command line, it means Java is installed successfully and working fine. You can check the Java version in command line through this command. Write Java C double hyphen version and click enter. You can see the current version of Java is 18.0.1. Now open Visual Studio and click on Extensions tab on left side. Search Java, then click on first extension pack for Java. In this extension pack, it has all dependencies of Java. Click on Install button in green color. It will start installing all dependencies. It might take some time to install all packs, so have patience for this. After installation, let's create Java program. Click on File and select New Text File option. Save this file anywhere in your computer. I am saving it on desktop. Creating one Java folder and saving Java file into it. Make sure you write .java after writing the name of file. Now let's test Java file through its print function. You have to click this run button. This will compile your Java file and print hello world here in terminal. You can see hello world has been printed. Now I am giving you another example by changing hello world to subscribe TechChimp channel. Let's again click on run button. As you can see, subscribe TechChimp channel is showing in terminal. You can also run your Java program in Visual Studio like this. I hope this video will help you to run Java program into Visual Studio. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.